Sige, so ito naman. Second problem natin. By the way, pag meron kayong mga tanong, paki-comment na lang. Di kasi ako naka-Discord. Ayan. So for the second problem, a uniform 300-pound bar carries a 500-pound vertical force at A. The bar is supported by a pin at B and the 0.5-inch diameter cable CD. Given pala to. And the 0.5-inch diameter cable CD. Find the stress in the cable. So ito yung cable natin. Ayan, cable CD. So nakikarry yan ng tension force. So yung FBD natin, we can reduce it by making this cut. Ayan. So we can reveal the internal force. And then to obtain the force in CD, pwede tayong mag-moment sa B. So summation of moments about point B equal to 0. We would have negative 500. Counterclockwise kasi yung rotation na makokos niya about point B. So this is with the assumption that positive is clockwise. Ayan. And the negative naman is counterclockwise. So minus 500 times 6. Moment arm niya is 3 plus 3. So 6. And then, don't forget na merong weight na binigay. Uniform 300-pound bar. Na mag-a-act yan sa centroid. So yung centroid ng figure is andito. So meron pala yung 300 pounds. So this is for the weight. So isasali natin yan sa calculations. Yung makukos niya na rotation about point B is counterclockwise din. So minus 300. Then multiply natin by 3 feet. Ayan. And then yung CD naman, meron siyang vertical saka horizontal components. So yung vertical component niya, this is CDY, and then yung horizontal component is CDX. Ayan. Pero yung CDX, tatama siya sa point B. Meaning pala, hindi siya kasali sa magkukos ng rotation. So yung CDY lang, magkukos siya ng clockwise rotation. So plus CDY, and then our moment arm is 3 feet lang. Ayan, perpendicular distance. And then equate natin to 0. But pwede rin na para ma-solve natin yung CD agad, we can take the component CDY. Now alam natin na for this triangle, ayan, the horizontal distance is 3, the vertical distance is 4. So 3 saka 4, solving the hypotenuse, magiging 5 yan. Square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared. So essentially 3, 4, 5 triangle lang. So when getting CDY, we have CD times the vertical distance 4 divided by the hypotenuse, which is 5. Ayan. So papalitan ko na lang to. Yung CDY is CD times 4 over 5. Ayan. And then we can solve CD. So minus 500 times 6 minus 300 multiplied by 3 plus CD times 4 over 5 multiplied by 3 equate to 0. Ayan. CD pala is 1625. Pero yung unit natin is pounds. Ayan. Naka-pounds kasi yan lahat. So alam na natin yung force ng CD, pero yung tinatanong is stress in the cable. So yung stress ng cable, label natin as stress CD. This is force divided by the area. Ayan. Force is 1625. Naka-pounds yan. And then our area is 0.5-inch diameter cable daw. Now yung 0.5 dyan, hindi pa yan area. Yung diameter pa yan. So the formula for the area of a circle, di ba, pi d squared divided by 4. So, yung area is pi times diameter, 0.5 inch, tapos squared, divided by 4. Ayan. Now, pounds divided by inches squared, yung tawag natin dyan is PSI. Ayan. Equals pounds per square inch. Isa to sa mga importanteng units. And then kapag KSI naman, parang 1,000 PSI lang yan. Ito usually yung makikita nyo sa mga units. Kapag English units. So input na lang natin 1625 divided by pi times 0.5 square divided by 4. We have 8276.06. Ayan. And then, naka PSI. Again, pounds per square inch.